Hello everyone, welcome to Motor Skill Learning. Today I have come up with different fun activities. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Let's have a fun together. Let's go. Number jump. Write 1 to 10 on 10 piece of paper and put them in random order on the floor. Make the child jump in a sequence number 1 to 10. Child will learn the different jumping direction, forward and backward, sideways. At the same time, child will learn different numbers. If you want to make it difficult, start jumping on one leg. You can even teach subtraction here, subtraction and addition. You can even teach your child odd and even number. Transporter. While juggling the balloon, you have to transfer object from one place to another. In this case, I have some object on the laundry bag and I have to shift those objects from laundry bag to the pillow while juggling the balloon. So make sure you keep on juggling the balloon, don't let it drop down, keep it focused, and you can do it slowly. Once you're done with the right, you have to shift the balloon towards your left side and start juggling with left hand and transfer the object with your right hand. You want to make it difficult, you have to increase the number of objects to be transferred. If you want to make it easier, you can just keep a few objects or you can use both arms to juggle the balloon. Balloon zigzag. Arrange few bottle or whatever is available in equal distance and try to go through while juggling. With the right hand, go slowly, start slowly. Once you progress, then you can go even faster. Use both the hand in alternate ways. Try not to knock the bottle down. Go through each bottle smoothly and try to do number of repetition. Balloon jump zigzag. Hold a balloon between your knee and hop through the zigzag without knocking the bottle down. Try to do it as many times as you can. Cowboy. Just imagine that all balloons are your cows. You have to chase the cow back to the barn as far as you can. Make sure you don't leave behind any cow. Finish it as fast as you can and try to repeat the same activity as many times as possible. You can kick it up, you can even use your hand if the balloon floats up. First kicker, have number of balloon placed on the floor and try to kick each and every balloon as fast as you can, as many times as you can within 1 minute. You can always increase the repetition. To make it difficult, you can increase the number of balloon or you can increase the timing. Hope you have enjoyed the activity. Take care. Bye bye.